Hey everyone, just wanted to start off with thanking everyone for the reaction in the comments on my last video, the full gold and silver stack. Really nice comments, so I'm glad to put that together. It was great fun, so thanks for that, guys. So I'm back in sunny Saudi, flew in last night, and I want to build a gold stack in Saudi Arabia. So I checked the gold price per ounce, which is 100 and a bit of change. That's the spot price. So I went to my local dealer, reputable, say that properly, company. They've got shops all over the world: Dubai, Oman, Qatar, UK, everywhere. Anyway, so I paid 4,385. This is the lowest I could get him, and I tried my hardest, and that works out to 6.8% over this price. So if you could let me know, guys, what you think about that. I haven't bought a PAMP bar before, but 6.8%, it just seemed a bit high when I got back and worked it out. So the plan is to get a box for 25 of these and hopefully fill it in the next 6 months or so. So this is my first gold bar. I'll show you the box that I want. So it's just one of these PAMP boxes. So yeah, let me know if you think 6.8% is a little bit too high. Maybe 24k Arabia Felix could tell me if I can get them cheaper in Riyadh. But I just wanted to share the latest purchase. Okay, thanks guys.